Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small-cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small-cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small-cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
Good day, guys. This is Crypto.XL, back today with more crypto updates and news. And as predicted, the Ethereum ETF has passed. Crypto.XL. What a day. What a day. What a day. What a day. Now, should I say I told you so? I mean, that would be classless, right? That, the integrity and the grace and the dignity of this channel, does it warrant me saying I told you so? Because I mean that'd be a bit pretentious, right? So I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'm gonna stick to the analysis. Big ups to you for taking control of your financial freedom, for staying the course, because the game is about consistency, it's about endurance, and it's about controlling your emotions, right? So we are at a pivotal place or charting in Bitcoin. Bitcoin has touched $93,000, and actually we are ahead of schedule, believe it or not. So we've had about 8 months of choppiness, of nothing going on, and people have been giving up. But all of a sudden, we've exploded. All of a sudden, we've just blown up, right? And look where we are now. And we've pulled back. We pulled back to around 85K. We went up to 93K and we pulled back to 85K. And everyone's expecting this huge retracement, which is possible. I don't know the future. I never claimed to know the future. And we didn't pull back to the 70s so far. We've pulled back to 85K, right? So what do I think about this whole thing? What's my plans and where am I going, and why does this matter? My focus here for Bitcoin, I was going to say it's not Bitcoin, but it has to be Bitcoin since Bitcoin is the leader. My focus is the altcoins, right? At the same time, since Bitcoin moves the prices of the altcoins, I have to focus on Bitcoin, because the amount of capital that Bitcoin obtains is a capital that's going to eventually feed into the altcoins, right? Right? So basically, that's why I'm focused on Bitcoin and the trillions of dollars that's about to flow into Bitcoin. Because the more Bitcoin acquires capital, that's the higher the multiples of our altcoins are going to be. See, the race is not for the swift, it's for those that can endure. And what I've been doing for quite a while now is accumulating altcoin positions for this day and for this moment in history, right? And to be more specific, for 2025, yes, we said Bitcoin was going to have October. Yes, we said November is going to be one of the most bullish months of the year. Yeah, yes, we said November is going to be one of the most bullish months of the year. And yes, we said the fourth quarter is going to be extremely bullish. But what we're also saying is that by 2025, a lot of this capital from Bitcoin, the trillions and trillions upon trillions of dollars, are going to start flowing into the altcoins. We've already seen ADA explode, right? We've seen Aiden wake up. There's talks of Hoskinson working now with Trump and somehow, and also XRP, to get the US on board with their blockchains. I mean, basically, we are living a cryptopian dream, right? Basically, people who love crypto, this is like a dream of people who love crypto. We have a president that's talking about making Bitcoin a strategic reserve. So, again, I said before, I believe 2 months back, that if I did not have any altcoins at this point, I would start to get worried. And I think that that's true. And as we get closer and closer to 2025, it becomes even more prevalent that, yeah, I would have some altcoins. I could only advise about what I would do, right? I cannot give you financial advice because I am not a financial advisor, right? So the way to survive this crypto bull market and to thrive in the crypto bull market is to take full accountability for one's own actions and do not depend on somebody else to make decisions for you. Okay? Because you're going to see opportunities, and it might be best for you to act upon the opportunities when you see them. If you see an opportunity, that is correct. Not some wild lottery ticket play, but opportunities, right? Yes. So where are we right now, and where are we going? Okay, Bitcoin touched 93K. It's very, very probable that we end up touching that 100K mark before the end of this year. And I expect a sell-off as we get closer and closer to 100K. I expect panic because everybody's expecting this huge dip to happen because it's 100K, right? It's a psychological number. It should be a pullback zone. And I think that we get this pullback and then we get a God candle out of nowhere that breaks through the 100K. I shouldn't even be saying all of this because it does put me on the record, and no one could predict the future. I could be wrong, so don't go trading based off of my opinion on what Bitcoin could do in the short term. Short term is not how you win the game. Long term is how you win the game. We've been investing since Bitcoin was 15,500. We've been accumulating altcoins at the bottom. On this channel, we've had multiple 30Xs. And the way how we get these 30Xs is not by trying to make a 40% profit, buying and selling back and forth, in and out with multiple trades. The way how we do it is we buy and we hold and we sit back and we're just patient, right? Because the gains are going to come, right? Now, specifically, I told you altcoin season in January of 2025. By January of 2025, I feel strongly on that conviction. I feel strongly that that's going to happen. But even as I said before, with the price of Bitcoin, if it's off by a month or a few weeks, I do not care. I don't care about the exact date. I didn't say November 5th or November 5th we're going to start heading higher. I didn't say that. I said November-ish. I said October-ish, November-ish. And it's the same stance with altcoin season. I'm thinking January-ish, around that period. And I'm patient enough to wait. I'm not going to be trading in and out, because ADA pumped 100%. Now I'm going to sell everything I have and buy ADA, right? No. We're not doing that, right? And then when SUI pumps another 200%, sell ADA and buy SUI after it pumped 200%. I'm not doing that, When Casper gets the hit and is down, I'm going to pick up a few Casper. When Giro Wallet was down to 0.0018, I'll pick up a few Giro. And I'll wait. I'm not going to rush. I'm calm. Because to me, I'm already there. You know, I'm already at the finish line. I just have to, I'm kind of like backtracking. I'm living in the future. So I'm actually just doing the steps. I'm going back in the past and doing some of the steps that it's going to take me to get to that finish line. And it's actually quite, it's actually easy. I think the hard part might be the emotions to follow through. That's the hardest part. But the plan is actually pretty simple. It's not really that difficult. And we know what to do next bull cycle, right, guys? What are we going to do next? All right, 2026, I anticipate a bear market at some point. It might surprise us and not be bearish until a little bit after 2026 starts, maybe after Q1. It might surprise us. Again, I don't know. I can't predict the future. But I expect to be shorting these coins. The coins that go up 1,000% during this bull market, during 2025, I'm going to be shorting some of these guys. And I'm going to use the capital I obtained through shorting all of 2026. I'm going to buy the heck out of some Bitcoin, I'm telling you. Right at the December 2026, I'm going to be buying some Bitcoin. I'm going to tell you that much. And then, actually, I'm going to be DCing into Bitcoin all the way until 2028. Then I'm going to be transitioning into some alts by then. But guys, this is very simple. It really is. It's a 4-year cycle. The pattern repeats itself over and over again. I expect the mother of all bear markets in 2026. So I'm already living in the future, guys. Like, I'm already telling you what the plans are. Another thing I'm going to say is we're going to backtrack a little bit because we're in Q4 of 2024 now. So let's bring it a little bit more current. Backtracking 2025, explosive for all coins. This is where we're going to get those 20x's, 50x's, and I don't even like giving multiples because people hold out. People hold out for the multiples, and people are going to start crying if they miss this. All right, hold on. All right, I want to get back to my train of thought. 2025, the mother of all seasons, is upon us. Shout out to you for being with the channel for this long and for staying focused. I know that not many people might be getting this content, but for those that are able to get the content, I guess you're going to be some of the lucky ones, right? Because we've been spot on with our calls, and it's kind of humbling, actually. And I said before in multiple videos in the past, it's okay if I get a few things wrong, as long as I get most of the things right. Okay. Yes, we can have a retracement at any time. Bitcoin could crash at any time. But the way how to think about investing in crypto in the markets is to have a long-term vision and know that short-term crashes are inevitable. It's not just possible, it's inevitable. So you can expect a 30% crash at any moment. These are possible. It's been my contention, and it's been so for the entire bull market, that we were in a bull market. Ever since 15,500, I felt we were in a bull market, that it was starting, especially after we hit 25K. So any pullbacks in Bitcoin, I'm going to look at it as a buying opportunity. And in particular, it could be a buying opportunity for Ethereum, for Solana, for SUI, for ADA, for AVAX, for Injective. Oh, man. Sounds like I'm giving my all-star lineup here, man, starting 5. And now, for my degen, insane, crazy altcoin picks, I'm getting these coins that nobody wants. People are overlooking them. People are saying they're dead. People are like walking away, and that's just better for me, because the longer it goes is the more I could accumulate. And why am I still accumulating when we're already in a bull market, and it's almost 2025? Well, my friend, the parabolic leg of the alts has not happened yet. See, first Bitcoin doubles, almost doubles. It doesn't have to necessarily double. But if you look at the 2021 cycle, that's what happened. Bitcoin doubled. And then after Bitcoin doubled, or went up tremendously, you could get the exact percentage if you like. After Bitcoin doubled, the altcoins started to go mad. It was pure madness and insanity. That's what happened after Bitcoin doubled. Okay, so I'm calmly accumulating, just in the back door, not really making any kind of noise or ruckus. Is taking my time and loading up the truck, right? So the U-Haul truck is fully loaded, and I don't mind waiting. I'm fine. Hey, it's cool with me, man. We could take as much time as you need, because the longer you take, it's the more altcoins I'm going to have. So when my little tiny $10 million micro cap altcoins get some of this wave, get some of this sunlight, water, and nutrition, I'm going to be reaping the fruits and the rewards of my labor. And I'm going to be in a position where I could afford to DCA out and get all of my investments back in a short period of time. And I'll be in a position where I could let some stay in the market, and it could go to zero, because I should be in a decent amount of profit. So which coins are we talking about? I mentioned some coins that are currently buying opportunities. There's actually a lot of them. Let's name some off the back. We've seen what VIA has been doing in a short amount of time. Do remember that VIA is a coin that the entire industry craps on, and nobody wants it, no one likes it, and that's fine. That's cool with me, man. So is ADA, right? The ADA manlets are celebrating right now. Did 110% in a few days, and this is what I'm talking about, man. Like, if you acquire these things when no one wants them, you don't have to put that much money in. You can just put a little bit of money, because now you need 2 times the amount of money to get the same amount of coins, right? So you don't necessarily need to wait for confirmation. I would say buying on an uptrend, if you really want to be, I guess, safer, you're buying on an uptrend, but also do realize when you buy on an uptrend that you limit some of your profit making potential. But that all being said, you also don't get punished when when a thing is falling 90%. You weren't buying it when it's falling 90% on the way down. The one thing I would say, though, if you do have conviction in a project when it's down 90%, and if you still have conviction, then it might be worth it to pick up a little bit, So yeah, let me name some coins. DexCheck, again, guys, oh my God. DexCheck is a screaming buy. Like, I don't know what else. You've been given the opportunity. They've knocked on the door. There's like 5 bankers with like $10 million in each briefcase. They're knocking on the door. You're fast asleep. You're like, I don't want to answer the door. I'm tired. I'm tired of people knocking on my door. They're literally giving it to you. So absolutely, DexCheck is one of my biggest buys. Name a few really quick. I gotta go, but let me name a few. AI Tech, Open Fabric AI. All of these are going to explode. DChat, IvePay, Meta Xseed, etc. All right. Well, the future is calling. All right. I will catch you next time. Crypto.XL. Peace. For sure. All right. So do remember that the Patreon, I'll be giving you guys buy alerts. I've been giving buy alerts for quite a while now. You'll find out which coins I'm buying and what prices I'm buying, right? So I continue to accumulate so that I could numerate the gains in the future. I just thought about that. That was actually corny, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. I'm going to keep it. Like I'm keeping my coins until it booms. All right. So everything's rocketing. Bitcoin has touched 93K. I expect pullbacks, but again, these pullbacks are like slingshots. And as time progresses, people are going to realize that there are opportunities. So I'm expecting the pullbacks to not be as deep and not last as long. And so you're going to get these pullbacks, and the fear is going to be high. And then you're going to realize that you're going to be getting higher lows because these pullbacks are going to be bought up. And before you know it, every time you have a little pullback, boom, it's like a rubber band. We're slinging to a higher dimension or a higher point on the chart. So I'm expecting us to go parabolic. We already entered the parabolic zone, so there's no telling how high we're going to go. There's no telling. I'm not going to give a number. I'm not going to give a price quote, but for those of you who really do want numbers, I'm looking at 100K this year, and some resistance probably around 102K, more resistance around 130K, and we'll see where we go from there. Okay, we're just going to see where we go from there and what happens. If they come out and they say that Bitcoin is now a strategic reserve, hey guys, all I can say is what I have in my head of what can happen. I don't even want to put on this channel, right? Because it may or may not happen. But if it does happen, all these plays I'm giving you right now that, oh, he's a YouTuber, he makes cute calls, it's really cute. These plays that I'm talking about right now, if this really happens, I mentioned DexCheck. If this happens, right now it's kind of easy to become, or it's more obtainable to become an oracle. It's more obtainable to get access to these launch pads. But if this really goes down like how I think it could happen, it won't be easy in the future. That's all I'm going to say. It would be unobtainable for the average person. That's all I'm going to say. And this could happen in a short window. Basically, what I'm trying to say to you is we can end up going like this, just like Bitcoin. You remember Bitcoin was like that for 8 months? And then once it happens, it happens. We just see, and we're in a different reality right after that. And it could happen within weeks. And just like that, everything changes. And if you want to lower your risk at that point, take a little bit off the table. You know, who am I to give you financial advice? I'm not a financial advisor. But yeah, this could go down really, really quick and it could go down really, really hard. People are underestimating what could happen, right? We might not be bullish enough. This has been Crypto.XL, and I will catch you on my next video. Remember, check out the Patreon. Hey, the way I see it, it's almost free compared to what's about to happen. Peace.
Welcome to Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
And we're live. Good day, guys. This is Crypto.XL, back today with more crypto updates and news. And as predicted, the Ethereum ETF has passed